Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're seeing a login error in the CommBank app, start by carefully re-entering your NetBank Client Number or username and password. Make sure that the caps lock is turned off and there are no extra spaces. Check that your internet connection is stable. Make sure to choose between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works. If not, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then turn off any VPN or proxy as they can block your network. Then, if login error continues, tap on the Forgot Password option and then reset your NetBank password. You can also try logging in from another device to confirm whether the issue is with the app or your account, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.